Hello and welcome to Stocks Advisor channel. Here at our channel we are looking for interesting buy opportunities for US-based stocks. Today we will have a look at Match Group Incorporated, traded at NASDAQ. Actually, 4 trading sessions ago it has shown the end of the fast uptrend that started at about 8th of June, and then we are in kind of a downtrend situation. But the question is it going to continue further? And what are the nice buying options here? And to understand what's going on, let's first have a look at general stats actually. So indeed, at about 4 trading sessions ago, we were at the maximum of the trend, having this small white candle, not really the evening star, but almost undeveloped evening star, we can call it, being an overbought situation actually on RSI, which created downtrend. But now we are in the middle of RSI, and just keep it in mind that there are many middle situations. I will mark them now and later come back to them, that are actually very significant for this stock specifically. Then if we look at MACD index, indeed when there was a maximum 4 sessions ago, it also was at the maximum wave. Then now it's going downwards. It's a negative zone, which is good, and it's also now equal to other 2 waves, which will also be note here, specific for this stock. And seems it's going to return to make another wave up, which will create positive upwards pressure being built with time. So what actually was going on here, like 2 days, 3 days, last 3 sessions, we were volatiling around this green line, this long green line, which is moving average 20. By the way, we have 3 moving averages depicted here. On the left, you see the depiction. It's moving average 20, 50, and 200 being red, blue, and green, blue, and red correspondingly. So here you can see we're volatile on this level of moving average 20. Today we pierced it down. But it's not just a arbitrary price that we pierced down. It is actually the very long trend up that started at the beginning of April and was reconfirmed many times. Let's call it trend 1 till T1 line, and it started at the beginning of April. Then it was reconfirmed about mid of May, and then it was again reconfirmed about 12th of June. And now we are on this line today. So the question is, we will reconfirm it again and go for another wave up, or what would happen? In case it pierces further during this week, which might be possible, the next line, the fence line, is moving average 50 here, which is blue line, but it's not only the only one, because it coincides with another support line here. So it's a very extremely strong support, and it will be very hard to pierce it down. So it's actually like a double support. It's moving average 50 plus this support line 1. So it's a very strong one, and therefore advises we are actually going to buy it at this trend 1 line, so on the volatility. And if it pierces towards S1 line, it's also good, already very good buy option. Another one, if it goes further down, another actually support line will be at this level. At that time it might be also very close to moving average 200, the red line, which is starting to go upwards as well. So this will be support 2, and this will make our buying boxes. So we are already kind of in a buy box 1, buy box 2, and buy box 3. Here usually we say buy box 0, 1, and 2, but in this case it's really buy box 1. Already we're in this zone because the trend can be reconfirmed. Buy box 2 will be this one, and buy box 3 will be very good one. So advises, at least we buy already, but we keep some funds for average down. If it goes to level 2, box 2, it will be very strong buy option actually. Also, why coming back to RSI, why we did these red dots, it's also important to note here that they coincided every time with a reconfirming of the trend 1 line here. If you draw them, also they were at the beginning of the trend, also in the middle of RSI, very specific for this stock, and we're again in this situation. So there are many parameters coinciding, saying that probably we'll have the return of situation. Also, if you look And the volumes of stocks traded at those times, you can see here. So overall some higher volumes here, well, a little bit, but these times we have really a lot of stocks traded, so volume is very high. And usually these very high volumes, you can't just short it down. So it also creates a lot of bag holders and some strong support. So it reconfirms the support of trend one. Therefore, it's really like we think most probably, yeah, either going box 1, 2, but then reversing. Very positive stock. Usually we don't give that quick buying, but it's really like already hot to buy stock. And yeah, good luck with it. So this was it for Match Group. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel.